guys, you're watching Devin from Merit Excavation RC, and today we're going to do another unboxing of a HUINA piece of equipment. So this is a wheel loader. It's pretty chilly outside. I'm going to put my hood up because it's pretty cold out here. And we're going to get this thing unboxed and see what we got. I'm pretty excited about this. This thing is packaged super tight. Gracious. There we go. I run a wheel loader most of the time at work, and I have wanted a model one for a while. Oh, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So the arms are metal. That's awesome. This is it's a NiCad battery. Should be 7.4 volt. That's great. It's like a 4 battery charger, or sorry, a 4 battery controller. I'm thinking about charger because I just seen that one. Let's get this thing out. Oh my God, this thing's heavy. Well, we're gonna get it on the scale here in a minute and see what it weighs. Holy crap. So it is, it's articulating. Cab's metal. The boom arm's metal. Looks like the back half and a little bit of the front has some plastic, but that's normal. Let's go ahead. The battery should be charged. Let me get a screwdriver and we'll get this battery in this thing, and we'll see how much it weighs with the battery in it, because that's more of a realistic test. This thing is humongous. All right, guys, so went and got my screwdriver, and we're gonna put this, put the battery in this thing. I was hoping that the screw was on like a retainer. Even though it's not, it's no problem. I'm just glad it has one of the good batteries. So this battery here is the same type of battery that's in their excavators. And they last, and they have a lot of power. Now I have an excavator. Damn. I get a feeling this thing's gonna weigh a lot. I'm gonna guess at least 8 to 10 pounds, but we'll find out here in a minute. It's really cold out here. And what's funny is the local gas station, Spinks, they have Panasonic batteries for $4, buy one get one free. So I got 2 packs for $4. You can't beat that. That is a good price. Let's go ahead and open up our controller, and this thing is like super good quality. I've been doing a little bit of research on this. So this right here is your drive controls, and this right here is going to be your bucket. So it's pretty much like the John Deere loader controls, which I run at work, like the single stick John Deere. This is the same control, so it's gonna be pretty easy to run this thing. I say that, but it might be tough. Hopefully not. Power is off. Make sure that we sync the controller really well. I'm gonna go ahead and put batteries in this thing. That way they're in there and it's done. Wow. 4 batteries. Dang. This thing's got some output. All right. I love a wheel loader. They're honestly, in the industry, they're probably one of the most handy pieces of equipment that you can have, besides a like a track hoe or something. I mean, they do everything from carrying pipe to loading material, sand, rock, anything. Let's just go ahead and pair this right quick. She's paired. Let's see what the weight is on this thing. And then we'll put it on the ground and drive it some. Okay. 9.4 pounds. 9.4 pounds. That's pretty damn heavy. So let's drive this thing around out here for a minute and see what it'll do. Let's see what the functions are. I'm really excited about this one. Like I said, I love a wheel loader. So let's take this thing for a test drive. Heck yeah, it'll pick itself up. That's awesome.